We had a big flu outbreak. It surged to more than 3,500 confirmed cases a while back, but the figure has slightly fallen back to 1,777 cases confirmed in the more recent days. So where are we exactly on the trends at this moment?
It looks like we have had a significant peak and we are plateauing. That said, we have had a lot of socialising over Christmas, and of course people will go back to school and work in different ways next week, and there could very well be another peak. However, our vaccination rates are up on last year. 22% of children have been vaccinated. Really good vaccination rates in the over 80s, over 60s.
Is one of the learnings to give that more souped up vaccine next year?
There's no evidence that it works any better. It might have the word enhanced in the title, but whoop-de-doo, UK and Australia had it, and they had a much more severe flu experience than we've had.
Why not just go belt and braces? I mean, what's the worst that can happen?
Because I'm spending your money to do it.
I understand
So
that,
what I'd like to do with your taxpayers' money is maximise the effect and maximise the value, because that additional 11 million euros can pay for very significant something else elsewhere in the system. The science that's available to me at present from the Chief Medical Officer is that it doesn't work necessarily better than the vaccine that we have chosen that the World Health Organization recommended. And our flu experience has been better than the UK and Australia. That's largely in part, can we be honest, because we've had a slightly higher uptake of the vaccination than other European countries, for example. So the most important vaccine is the one that the World Health Organization recommends and the one that people take.